Fuel. It's the enemy of your engine. What's that, you say? How is that? How can fuel be the enemy of my engine? It's what the engine burns, right? Your engine only burns vaporized fuel. It doesn't burn the liquid fuel. So the job of the carburetor or the injectors is to atomize that fuel, to create small, fine droplets that can then easily vaporize and then be burned. So what happens to that fuel that doesn't vaporize? Well, that liquid fuel is the enemy of your engine because it's going to dilute the oil and wash it away. Oil is the gasket and the lubricant. It's what helps seal the piston rings to the cylinder wall. So when I have liquid fuel washing away my oil, I'm increasing the wear in the engine and I'm increasing blow-by in the engine, which is decreasing the efficiency of my engine. All bad things. That's why I said fuel is the enemy of your engine. So what can you do about it? Well, the number one thing you can do is keep your injectors clean. So you want to use a polyether amine, PEA-based fuel detergent additive. I like to use the Gumout All In One fuel system treatment. That will clean the injectors, clean the carburetor to make sure they can properly atomize that fuel. That way it can vaporize the fuel. You want to make sure your fuel is making power, not making problems. And the Gumout All In One fuel treatment allows you to do that. For more tech tips like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one.